Bari isn't just a city, it's Italy's best-kept secret. On the sun-drenched Adriatic coast, a different kind of magic is at play. Here, ancient history breathes alongside the vibrant pulse of modern life, and every cobblestone tells a story. I'm Rose, your guide through this extraordinary corner of Puglia. We'll wander old streets, marvel at basilicas, and taste flavors perfected over generations. This is your essential guide to Bari's most captivating sights and experiences. Pack your curiosity and appetite. Our journey begins now. Our journey begins in Bari Vecchia, the ancient heart of the city. Its narrow, winding streets were designed to confuse invaders, but today they invite you to get lost and discover Bari's true spirit. Every turn reveals a new story. Grandmothers shaping orecchiette, neighbors chatting, children playing. Look up. Laundry flutters between buildings, a vibrant testament to daily life. The scent of baking bread lures you to a local panificio, where focaccia barese awaits. These bakeries are the culinary anchors of the community. The walls, weathered by sun and salt, hold centuries of secrets. Devotional shrines tucked into alcoves offer quiet moments of reflection. Bari Vecchia is a living museum, constantly evolving, never static. Here, the past and present blend seamlessly. Put away your map and let the labyrinth guide you. Experience a way of life that has endured for centuries. Lose yourself, and you'll find the soul of Bari. This is the city's beating heart. Rising from the old town, the Basilica di San Nicola commands awe. Built over 1,000 years ago, it houses the relics of St. Nicholas, yes, Santa Claus himself. This transformed Bari into a major pilgrimage site, drawing the faithful and lovers of art and history alike. Its fortress-like exterior tells of a time when churches were sanctuaries and strongholds. Inside, the cool twilight and scent of incense invite quiet contemplation. The grand nave and intricate carvings are masterpieces of Romanesque art. Descend to the crypt, where St. Nicholas's relics rest in a chamber of ancient columns. This sacred space unites Roman Catholic and Eastern Orthodox traditions. The basilica is more than a building, it's a vessel of faith and a bridge between cultures. Here, history and spirituality converge, shaping Bari's destiny. It's an essential stop for anyone seeking the city's soul. Step from the old town to the Adriatic's edge, the Lungomare Nazario Sauro. This grand seaside promenade is Bari's communal living room, where the city meets the sea. Joggers, couples and families all find their place along this elegant walkway. The architecture, monumental buildings from another era, frames endless views of the shifting blue sea. At dawn, fishing boats return. At sunset, the sky ignites in colour. The Lungomare is a photographer's dream and a daily ritual for locals. Here, the city's relationship with the sea is on full display. It's where Bari breathes, dreams, and looks outward to the horizon. Experience the city's pulse, one step at a time. Between Old Town and sea stands Castello Svevo, Bari's mighty fortress. Its massive walls tell tales of sieges, conquests, and royal intrigue. Cross the bridge and enter a world of knights, nobles, and strategic defense. The Renaissance courtyard reveals the castle's evolution from fortress to noble residence. Inside, museum exhibits showcase archaeological finds and regional art. Climb the ramparts for panoramic views, Bari Vecchia on one side, the Adriatic on the other. The castle is the city's anchor, a silent witness to nearly a millennium of history. Here, Bari's past comes alive. In the city's heart stands Teatro Petruzzelli, a beacon of culture and resilience. Its elegant facade and opulent interior make it one of Italy's most beautiful opera houses. After a devastating fire in 1991, the theatre was painstakingly restored, reopening in 2009. Today, it hosts world-class opera, ballet, and concerts. Even without a ticket, the red velvet and gold leaf auditorium is worth a visit. The acoustics are legendary, every note reaching the audience in perfect clarity. Petruzzelli is more than a venue, it's Bari's cultural heart and a symbol of rebirth. Attend a performance or simply admire its beauty. Here, art and resilience take center stage. The spirit of Bari shines brightest in its theatre. Where old meets new, Piazza del Ferrarese is Bari's open-air living room. By day, it's a bustling hub for coffee, conversation, and people-watching. By night, it transforms into the epicenter of nightlife, alive with music and laughter. A section of ancient Roman road, preserved behind glass, connects you to Bari's deep roots. The piazza links the historic labyrinth of Bari Vecchia with the modern city. Join the evening passeggiata and feel the city's pulse. Here, stories are exchanged and friendships forged. To linger in this square is to become a temporary local. To know Bari, you must taste it, especially on the streets. The city's street food is legendary. Panzerotto, deep-fried, cheese-filled pockets, scagliozze, crispy polenta, and raw seafood fresh from the Adriatic. Follow the locals to tiny storefronts in Bari Vecchia for the best bites. The fish market near Molo San Nicola is a must for seafood lovers. Bari's food is simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. It's a celebration of local ingredients and community. Eating here is more than sustenance. It's a joyful tradition. Every bite tells a story of Bari's generous heart. Come hungry, leave happy. When the sun blazes, locals head to Pane e Pomodoro, Bari's beloved city beach. This crescent of sand is a lively communal escape just south of the center. Families, friends, and sun-seekers gather under umbrellas, sharing food and laughter. The waters are calm and perfect for a swim. Bring your own snacks, maybe even bread and tomato in honor of the beach's name. Arrive early for the best spot and soak up the relaxed, joyful atmosphere. Here, Bari shows its playful, sun-drenched side. It's the perfect place to unwind and watch the city at leisure. To understand Bari's present, explore its ancient past at the Museo Archeologico di Santa Scolastica. Housed in a fortified monastic complex, the museum showcases artifacts from prehistory to the Roman era. Glass walkways reveal Bronze Age excavations beneath your feet. Highlights include Piscean pottery and Roman mosaics, each piece unlocking stories of ancient lives. The museum's setting is as compelling as its treasures. Visiting here gives context to everything else you see in Bari. It's a quiet conversation with the distant past. Via Sperano is Bari's stylish commercial heart, a boulevard of fashion and flair. Pedestrianised and elegant, it's lined with luxury brands, department stores, and chic cafes. The street's unique salotti, or lounges, invite you to pause and people watch. Window displays are works of art, reflecting Italy's love for design. Here, locals and visitors alike stroll, shop, and see the city's modern face. Via Sperano is the perfect counterpoint to Bari's historic core. It's a celebration of contemporary Italian style. Bari is the perfect base for exploring Puglia, and Polignano a Mare is the must-see day trip. Perched atop limestone cliffs over turquoise waters, this town is pure postcard perfection. Wander its old town, discover breathtaking sea views from cliffside balconies, and visit the iconic Lama Monachile beach. Take a boat tour into magical sea caves or watch daring cliff divers from above. The town's beauty has inspired artists and dreamers for centuries. Just a short train ride from Bari, it's an unforgettable escape. Polignano is a concentrated dose of coastal drama and charm. It's the perfect flourish to your Bari adventure. Our journey through Bari ends, but the city's story continues in every sunlit piazza and ancient alley. From Bari Vecchia to Polignano's cliffs, we've only scratched the surface. Share your favourite Bari moments or travel tips in the comments below. Subscribe for more guides to the world's most fascinating destinations. Keep your spirit of adventure alive. There's so much more to explore. Bari is waiting. Are you ready?